All right, this is lesson 2.7 in pre-algebra. Try, test, and revise. Okay, this is the one lesson per chapter that they do that is just dealing straight up with story problems and word problems. Try, test, and revise is one of the methods that you can use whenever you see a story problem. I mean, there's all kinds of them. Some of the methods are draw pictures. Some of them are you try them. Some of them are you make a diagram. Some of them are you go backwards. This one is that you try, test, and revise. Let me explain. I'm only going to show you how to do one of these. I'm only going to explain this once, and then you'll understand what I mean by try, test, and revise. Okay? Here's the deal. Let's just say that there was a carnival, right, at the school, okay? And the tickets to the carnival are $12 for an adult and $8 for a child. Does that make sense? Okay. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to tell you that you sold 14 total tickets, okay? You sold 14 total tickets, and you made a total of $152, okay? This is all you know, is that you sold 14 tickets, and you have $152 in your hand. If I was to ask you how many adult tickets did you sell and how many child tickets did you sell, you got to kind of figure this out. Does that make sense? I mean, you got to go back and go, wow, what can I do here? I mean, I know I sold 14 tickets, and I know I have $152, but how many adult tickets and how many child tickets did I sell each? Well, one way of doing this, there is an actual formula you could use. We're not going to do that right now. We're going to do this by trying it, testing it, and then revising it. Let's just do this. Let's just decide that, well, what would be a good starting point? One thing I could do is say, okay, let's just say that all 12 tickets I sold were adults. What would I do then if they were all adults? You'd go $12 times what? 14. What is 12 times 14? 168. Do I have $168? No. So what does that mean that I need to do? It means that I didn't sell all adult tickets. I sold at least some child tickets. Does that make sense? Let's just see. What if I sold all child tickets? That would be 8 times 14, which would be 32. That would be, well, hold on. Let me turn it over. 14 times 8 is 112. That's not close either. Agreed? Not close. So then what do I need to do here? I tried them. I tried a guess of mine. Not close. So it's somewhere in between there. Let's just do 7 and 7. Can we try 7 and 7? Let's try 7 and 7. Let's just see if we get closer. What if let's say we did 7 adults, which is 7 times 12, which is, what's 7 times 12? 84. Okay, and then I also did 8 times 7. I did 7 is 56. So then that would be 84 plus 56 is 140. I'm getting there, but I still don't have enough. So what do I need to do? I need to add more adult tickets, right? I need to add more adult tickets. So let's just try this. I'm going to erase this a little bit. Notice what I'm doing. I'm trying something, I'm testing it, and then I'm revising it. You see what I'm doing here? So, okay, let's say it's not 7. Let's say that it is, we'll say 9 adults, so 9 times 12. Oops. 9 times 12, and then how many kid tickets would that leave me? 5 times 5 times 8, right? Makes sense? So 40 and 108 is 148. I'm close. What do I need to do, probably? Maybe one more adult ticket? Let's try 10 adult tickets. So 10 adults, so 10 times 12 is 120. And then I have, how many kid tickets would that be? 4 times 8, which is 32. What's 120 plus 32? Oh, 152. So then how many adult tickets did I sell? 10. How many kid tickets did I sell? 4. I figured it out. How did I figure it out? I figured it out by trying it, testing it, and then I revised it, right? When it wasn't right, I just revised it. That's what we're doing here. And so each one of these problems that you're going to do is going to have something to do with that. They're giving you problems that are conducive to this type of problem solving. Trying it, testing it, revising it. Does that make sense? So that's really it. I'm not going to show you how to do any others because I don't want to give away how to do them. But you can do this. This is not too difficult for you. I'm going to allow you guys to get in partners. I will choose them. Nobody gets excited? Yeah, that's right. And then let me just tell you what you're doing so you guys can get started on this. This will be collaborative learning. What's collaborative learning mean? What's collaborate? To collaborate, work together, right? Okay, so this is page 98, 1 through 10, even. Okay, this is group work. You may use one paper for your group. Okay?